Start with Graco if you're unsure, it's the easiest default for most families. Switch to Chicco for frequent taxis or rideshares, Uppababy when you'll carry often, and Clek for guided latch installs. We'll match each seat to how you drive, carry, clean, and connect strollers. No infant seat does everything. Choose by install, carrying, cleaning, and stroller fit. For most homes, start with the Graco SnugRide SnugFit DLX. Buy it if the base will mostly stay in your own car, and you want a seat that feels complete without wandering into luxury pricing. The harness is easy to adjust, daily handling is simple, and cleanup is more parent-friendly after the usual bottle, spit up, and snack chaos. The catch is weight. It's the heaviest seat here, and no base seatbelt installs are fussier. Skip it if rideshares are routine, or your stroller plan is built around Uppababy. If your seat moves between cars, the Chicco KeyFit Max ClearTex makes more sense. It's still a practical everyday infant seat, but the bigger reason to pick it is the European belt path for no base installs. That matters for taxis, rideshares, grandparents' cars, and the days when the base is simply not where you are. The trade-off is the base install with a vehicle belt can demand more force. The standard cover is washable, not the quickest to remove. Skip it if you need the longest expiration window for future babies. For parents carrying the seat a lot, the Uppababy Aria V2 is the upgrade I'd look at first. It's dramatically lighter than the typical infant carrier, which you feel on stairs, in parking lots, and every time the baby is finally asleep. It also brings premium convenience, a roomy canopy, and a long usable lifespan. The catch is the ecosystem. It fits best if you're already using a cruise or Vista stroller. The cover is harder to fully remove, the handle needs 2 hands, and the 30 height limit is lower than the others here. For a more guided base setup, go Clek Liing. This is the pick for families using LATCH in a compatible vehicle, and who want the base to feel especially firm with visible feedback while they install it. It's also compact for a premium seat, with strong stroller adapter options if you're mixing brands. The trade-off is convenience in other places. The harness has to be rethreaded as your baby grows, the handle takes 2 hands, and the price is higher. Skip it if you want the lightest carrier or the lowest spend. Quick split, most families should start with Graco SnugRide SnugFit DLX. Choose Chicco KeyFit Max ClearTex if no base installs are normal. Choose Uppababy Aria V2 if carry weight is your daily pain. Choose Clek Liing if a guided rigid latch base matters most. Before you buy, check your car's back seat fit, your stroller compatibility, and how often you'll install without the base. Also think about cover removal. Messes happen, and the easiest seat on paper can still annoy you every week. So if you're unsure, start with the Graco. Switch to Chicco if you're constantly moving between cars, Uppababy if carrying weight bugs you most, or Clek if the base install feedback is the priority. Pick the routine you actually live. Links are in the description.